Hey guys, welcome to my discussion on visual analytics using Tableau. Tableau is most widely used BI tool in the market today. Many big companies are using Tableau in order to maintain their reporting architecture. Tableau is a very powerful, easy, and very flexible BI tool. It actually helps you to convert your raw data into meaningful information. Keeping all this in mind, I have come up with this comprehensive Tableau course, which will help you to learn Tableau from end-to-end implementation, where you will learn how you can convert your raw data into beautiful visual analytics. So let's see what are the things we are offering in this course. So I will start this course by talking about business intelligence, where I will talk about why business intelligence is so important in nowadays in business. In order to help data-driven decisions, business intelligence is a very important part. After that, I will talk about one of the most famous BI tool, which is a very important part of business intelligence, that is Tableau. Why Tableau is so popular, why Tableau is so flexible, fast, and easy to learn. After that, I will talk about how Tableau is gaining an advantage over the other BI tool. Then I will talk about the pricing of Tableau. And then I will say about how we can work on Tableau desktop in creating beautiful visualizations, doing formulas, in making data models, and implementing those models in creating beautiful visualization. Then I will talk about one of the important features of Tableau, where I will teach you how Tableau is integrating a number of databases that are available in the market. And the last part of this discussion will be all about projects. Projects from a different domain. I will talk about how to integrate data from different data source and from different domain. And at the end, I will talk about the industry relevant interview questions. I will discuss about each questions in detail and how we implement those interview questions in Tableau desktop. So guys, let's get start our journey on visual analytics using Tableau.